we're going to have so much fun. We are going to be learning, let's see, all about birds, different kinds of birds, perching birds and water birds and exotic birds. Yeah, we're going to learn about pond life. Oh, pond life is one of my favorites. Not just the different animals that live in the pond, but the different plants that live in the pond and the importance of having a pond. And we're going to learn about the life cycles of some animals. Oh yeah, that's going to be a lot of fun too. Gosh, what else are we learning? Plants. We're going to be learning all about our earth and how to take care of our earth. We have got lots that we're going to be learning, and I can't wait to get started. So just 2 more weeks. So make sure that you guys sign up for the spring curriculum, okay? It starts March 1st. Yay! Okay, well, it is time for us to say goodbye, and we will see you guys soon, okay? Thanks again, and just keep on posting and keep on practicing, kids. You're doing awesome. Bye.